Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a central vacuum system with Vacuflo, full guide step by step clearly. To install a central vacuum system with Vacuflo, begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. This includes the Vacuflo unit, PVC piping, wall brackets, a vacuum hose, and installation hardware. Turn off the power supply to avoid any electrical hazards during installation. Choose an appropriate location for the Vacuflo unit, ideally in a basement or utility room. Make sure the location is accessible for maintenance and close to the central vacuum piping. Measure the distance from the location of the Vacuflo unit to the furthest inlet. Plan the layout of your PVC piping, ensuring it connects to each vacuum inlet location. Use a stud finder to locate wall studs and mark where you will install the inlets. Cut holes in the drywall at each marked location for the vacuum inlets. Install the wall brackets for the vacuum inlets according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, run the PVC piping from the Vacuflo unit to each inlet location. Secure the piping with wall brackets, ensuring it is level and securely fastened. Connect the PVC pipes with appropriate fittings, making sure the joints are airtight. Once the piping is in place, install the inlets into the pre-cut holes. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for securing each inlet. After the inlets are installed, connect the main PVC pipe to the Vacuflo unit. The unit will have instructions for the correct electrical connections. After the unit is installed, plug it into a nearby outlet. Install the filter according to the Vacuflo guidelines to maintain optimal performance. Next, test the system by plugging in the hose and checking for suction at each inlet. If necessary, adjust the piping or fittings to eliminate any leaks. Once everything is confirmed to be working, finish sealing the drywall and restoring any removed sections. Finally, complete any cosmetic touches to ensure a seamless installation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.